I'm Andrew from Plaid Analytics. I've seen a few people post in the community saying that they found it a little bit difficult to get information from their agenda on the Whova app into their calendar. Now, I know the app is supposed to actually do this, but I found in my own case that it's a little bit spotty. It worked for some and not for all. And so I wanted to explore an alternate method to show how to do this. For this, we're going to use ChatGPT to build a calendar invite and import all the sessions that I favorited that show up on my agenda. For demonstration's sake, we're just going to pick Wednesday for now, but the process is the same for any day that you want. And we're going to copy all the text-based information that's here, and then we're going to go to ChatGPT. And so we're going to prompt it to create an ICS calendar invite. ICS is the format that most calendar systems are able to recognize. And we tell it that the time is Eastern Standard Time. Because I'm in Chicago currently, I need to tell it this, otherwise it's going to get the timing wrong. And then after that, we paste in all the information that we have. And so then I'll hit the run button and see what it comes up with. I find telling it that it's an ICS event is important. We can see here now that it's generating code for me. You'll note that my own presentation is going to show up here at 11:40 around Strategic Enrollment Management. I hope you can join us. You can see it at the bottom now. We're in Expo Theater 1. And then it's going to show the rest of the sessions that I favorited for the day. In some cases, there's too many events in order to fit within the character limits that ChatGPT has. So sometimes beside the stop generating button, you may see a continue generating button. If that happens, you need to hit continue through to the end. Otherwise, the calendar event format won't work for this purpose. So here's an example of where we need to continue generating in order to finish off our day. We may need to do this multiple times if we have lots of events. What we're looking for here is that there's no option to continue and that the last line of our code says end :v calendar. This way we know that it's done. It's also put some instructions in which will make our lives easier. So if we scroll up to the top, we can hit copy code and we can go to a code editor like Visual Studio Code and create a new file and then paste that information in. I'm going to save this to the desktop for easy access and I'll call it air Wednesday demo.ics. The .ics is important so that your operating system knows to open it in a calendar application rather than something else. And now within my calendar, I've created a sample calendar, so that's what we're going to see when I open this. We can see now that all my events that I favorited have been added for Wednesday, and they've got information. And we can see here that even my own presentation is showing up. Note that it shows at 10:40 here because I'm in Chicago rather than in the Eastern time zone. So tomorrow when I get on the plane, this will all change and move to the right time because it's got the time zone embedded into it. This concludes my video of how to use ChatGPT in order to add your sessions to your calendar if you weren't able to do so with the app. Thanks for watching.